If your Samsung TV remote's red light keeps flashing, but the TV refuses to respond, don't worry. In this video, we'll go through the real fixes that have worked for thousands of Samsung users. Let's get started. Step 1. Replace the batteries. Weak or dying batteries are the #1 cause of a flashing red light. Remove the old batteries, check for corrosion on the metal contacts, and insert a fresh pair of good quality alkaline batteries. Make sure the positive and negative sides match the markings inside the remote. Step 2. Reset the remote. If new batteries didn't solve the issue, the remote may need a soft reset. Remove the batteries again, then press and hold the power button on the remote for about 10 seconds to drain leftover electricity. This clears minor glitches inside the remote. Reinsert the batteries and try using it again. Step 3. Repair the remote to the TV. Samsung smart remotes often lose their Bluetooth pairing, causing the red light to blink continuously. Turn on the TV using the power button on the TV itself. Stand about 1 to 2 feet away, then press and hold the return and play or pause buttons together for 5 seconds. A pairing message should appear on the screen. Once paired, the remote should start working normally again. Step 4. Power cycle the TV. Sometimes the problem isn't the remote. The TV's software or sensor might be frozen. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the wall. Then press and hold the TV's own power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Leave it unplugged for at least a minute, plug it back in, and turn it on. Try the remote again. Step 5. Test with your phone.